You know how Nigerians like to argue online. You hear them say Nigeria will qualify for next World Cup. Bitcoin will hit 100k next year. Normally, you see all those arguments ends in comment sections, on Twitter trends, and sometimes on WhatsApp debates. You see, with Gate Polymarket, users can actually participate in live prediction markets using Gate Exchange app. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gate Polymarket using Gate Exchange app step by step. You can see this is my Gate Exchange app. But before we do anything, it is very important you know this. Prediction markets are based on certain reward events, and price can move very fast. So it is very important you understand the market risk so that you can always trade with caution. Please know that. If you are new to Gate Exchange, all you need to do is to use the link which is below the description of this video to sign up. If you use that link, Gate has some rewards in deposit for you. So after you must have signed up, make sure you download the latest version of the app. You will see it immediately you sign up. So as soon as you open the app, it will take you to the home page. This is the home page, and you come down here, you tap on Alpha. You can see it is now up here. This is Alpha. This is Polymarket. All this menu you are seeing down here belongs to Polymarket. To see it fully, you tap More. We are now inside Polymarket as a whole. But first, what is Polymarket? You see, when people are debating if Bitcoin will go up or down, or you are debating a certain thing will win or lose, Polymarket give you opportunity to choose a certain outcome. That is an outcome that is more likely to come true. So instead of debating and arguing about it, prediction become a live market inside Gate Exchange app. That is exactly what Polymarket is all about. And you can see inside Gate Exchange app, you have option to make a prediction on so many reward events. This is soccer. If you tap this is about World Cup winners. Who is going to win World Cup? Is this France or Spain? Don't worry, I will explain how you do it step by step. This is crypto. This is basketball. This is general sport. This is crypto. For instance, if you tap crypto, look at it. What price will Bitcoin hit in May? You have so many opportunity to predict and take part in Gate Polymarket. You can see, you can predict about weather, about politics, about technology, so many options. But first, what makes Gate Exchange Polymarket special? Normally, it is usually very difficult for beginners to understand how to take part in prediction market. The learning curve is very stiff. Gate Exchange has made it very easy to participate. For instance, you don't need gas fee to participate, unlike other platforms. You don't need to switch between one network to another. All you need to do is to sign up to your Gate Exchange app and start making prediction. Gate has integrated Polymarket inside Gate Exchange app, which make it very easy for you to use your USDT to make prediction very fast. You don't need separate wallet. You don't need to move money around. Everything you do will happen inside Gate Exchange app, and that will make life easy for many beginners. In this session, I'm going to walk you through a real demo prediction. You can see this Polymarket inside Gate Exchange. I'm going to go for soccer event prediction. I will tap soccer. This is World Cup event. If you scroll down, this is PSG Arsenal event. This is UEFA League winner. Let me choose this event. If I want to go for this event, I'm predicting that PSG will win Champions League. I will tap PSG. You can see UEFA Champions League winner. Will PSG win Champions League? If I say yes, I will stake $5 for saying yes. I will get $8.47 if I'm right. Look at it. Payout if right. For me to commit it, I will preview first. This is the amount I'm spending. You can see other confirmation. I'm predicting PSG will win the Champion League. This is the amount I will get. This is the amount I'm staking. This is the difference. That is amount I will gain. Don't forget, if my prediction is wrong, I will lose all my $5. If I'm okay with the other confirmation, I will tap confirm. You can see I've confirmed. Look at it, order confirm. I've confirmed that. Look at it, place order success. The next thing I want to show you now is very important. You see, on Gate Polymarket, you don't need to wait until the end of the event before you get your profit back. You can sell your order and you can buy order. That is, if it's almost certain sure that PSG will win this game with what people are seeing, because I predicted earlier, people that I predict in the future, they may not be able to get how much I'm going to get. If at that time, a lot of people are seeing that PSG may win, I can sell my order. How do you do that? To do that, you come to this place. I will tap PSG. I will come to this place, market. This is where you select the market, limit, order book. If you tap order book, these are the order book. That is people that have predicted. These are the people that have traded yes, and these are people that have traded no. I've already taken a position and I can decide to sell my position and collect my money back. I don't need to wait until the end of the match to get my stake money back. So to do that, you come back to this place, you tap that market, you come down. Where we've been seeing before was under payout mode. So you tap trader. Look at your selected trader. You tap confirm. You can see what I did before was I bought, and this is the balance of my money that remain out of $5. I stake that PSG will win. I've already bought with my money. But if I want to collect my money back and I don't want to wait for that day again, I will tap sell. I can decide to sell according to any ratio I want. I will tap 100%. That is, I want to sell my position that PSG will win the Champions League. You will see this review. If there's somebody that is ready to buy that my position, otherwise you will not see any commitment here. So I will tap review. Don't forget, I'm selling my position. You can see I've sold my position, order submitted, and it's processing. Place order successful. You can see that the total amount of money I had here before was $5. It has reduced. If you are not waiting to the end, you may gain or you lose your money. It is important you know that. This difference is as a result of what the buyer, the person that bought my position, that is my predicted position. That is how much they are ready to pay for it. But the good thing is that I did not lose all my $5. I sold my position just to let you know how you can sell your position and even buy an event predicted by somebody else. Now, another important thing that you need to learn is this. How do you credit your account on Gate Polymarket? You can credit your account like a normal way you credit your Gate account. But when you get to this stage and you want to buy or sell, you can also come to this place. You tap here, this plus sign, tap plus sign. You can see transfer. This transfer is for between Gate Exchange users to another Gate Exchange user. That is going to be through your Gate user ID. This is on chain. That is, you want to receive funds from Bybit, Binance, or you want to transfer funds to your Gate Exchange account from your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet. That's when you use this. Suppose you want to transfer money from your bank account in your country. This when you use P2P. It will take you to where you do the P2P. Look at it. You want to buy USDT. So that's how you fund your Gate Polymarket account to stake your money and make your prediction. If I decide to come here and choose another prediction market session, this is crypto. If you decide to go for this one, I want to use this to explain an important thing that you need to know. The earlier you enter a prediction market at a lower probability, the higher your potential payout will be. What does that mean? Suppose today is 3rd of May and let's suppose the price of Bitcoin is like $60-something thousand, and I'm taking my money that at the end of May the price of Bitcoin will have been $86,000. Because I enter early, the amount I will get will be higher at the end of the day than somebody that is just entering towards the end of May, after it is almost certain that the price will hit this amount. The summary is that your payout is based on the odds at the time you enter your prediction. If you enter early when the event look very unlikely, you are likely to get a higher pay than somebody that is entering very late when the event is highly likely to happen. As soon as the event ends, if your analytical prediction is correct, you'll be able to claim your settle balance automatically. All you just need to do is to come here. You can see you'll be able to set your payout mode, and you tap here, confirm, and you see your money here. As soon as your money is here, your money is already in your spot account automatically. You can see this 4.71. If I go to my main gate account, you can see the money is here. You can see 4.71. That is exactly what you are seeing inside Gate Polymarket. All you just need to do is to tap withdraw and you'll be able to send your money out of the platform. So what makes the system interesting is the real flexibility. Everything is managed inside the Gate Exchange app. You don't need to be transferring one money to another. You don't need to move between one network to another network like other platforms. So this is why Gate is more preferable. Like right now, major global sport events are about happening. That is the FIFA World Cup. All you need to do is to come to your Gate Exchange app and tap Alpha Polymarket, come to sport, then you select soccer, look at it, World Cup winners. You have so many options to select. By the time you tap here, you'll be able to select and make prediction for these events. And whenever this one is over, if you go back, you have so many other prediction events on Gate Exchange app. So you have opportunity, even though if you are a beginner, to use Gate Polymarket to make your predictions. So whether it is football event today or crypto event tomorrow, you can always make your predictions inside your Gate Exchange app, because the process inside your Gate Exchange app remain the same. Don't forget to always participate responsibly and ensure you understand the risk involved. So don't forget to use the link below the description of this video, especially if you are new to Gate Exchange platform, and you get some reward in deposit for using that link. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.